Hello traders and investors, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. I will begin with the higher time frame. This video or this screen is on the 8-hour time frame. Why did I choose the higher time frame? Because on the higher time frame we don't yet have confirmation of a trend change. It's important to understand that sometimes we are working on the lower time frame based on assumptions that are not yet validated on the higher time frame. That's simply the way it goes. You could, of course, wait for the higher time frame. I don't always wait. I am assuming that Bitcoin is already in a correction. Why am I assuming that Bitcoin is in a correction? Because it broke from the upward sloping trend line, and you could say that it retested the trend line. I wanted a more pronounced retest. We didn't get it. It also broke below 67.3, which is a support level, and it broke below it. So I am assuming that we are already in a correction. However, as far as the high time frame is concerned, we don't yet even have a lower low. Okay, this is an equal low, it's not a lower low. So the higher time frame doesn't yet confirm a downtrend or the correction, but I am already operating as if we are in a correction. How low can Bitcoin go in this correction? The most common target for a wave 2 is the 0.618 retracement, which puts us at 59.3. It could go higher to 61.2, and it could go lower to 56.6. We will have to work it out as we move along. Okay, I have evidence for a more bearish correction, but it's just preliminary evidence. It's not worth mentioning right now. The immediate target to look out for, or the immediate level to look out for, is this support trend line, which is holding Bitcoin's price. And as long as it is holding Bitcoin's price, I am expecting a bounce today, maybe even tomorrow or in the next day. It can't be sustained over this previous high above 70k, but I am expecting a bounce. Where am I aiming at? I am aiming at the 0.618, which is at 67.5, and I am expecting the minimum retracement to make it to 66.8. I am already long on Bitcoin for this bounce, and I shared this trade on Twitter. I share all my trades on Twitter. What am I expecting? This is my dream scenario. I'm expecting Bitcoin to form a right shoulder right now, and if this works out, it's going to be an amazing trade, because we can expect a measured move from the neckline, which puts us at 58k. So let's assume that Bitcoin will now bounce to 67.5, 67.6, and then move lower to 58. We are talking about more or less a 10k move that we can catch with Bitcoin. When will this be, or how will this be confirmed? If we will see Bitcoin moving down from the right shoulder, it will be the first step, and a test of the neckline as resistance will be the final confirmation. What additional evidence do I have for 58k? This double top pattern formed a nice harmonic with the common target, the 0.786, which puts us even lower at the 0.786 retracement at 56, let's say around 56.7. So we do have something to look for. However, in the immediate term, I'm long. I shared my long trade on Twitter, and I will be looking to exit from this trade at around 66.8, maybe a bit higher. I don't know yet, but I will update you on Twitter. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next